Hello and welcome to today's eBay auction and review of this beautiful, cute Barbie pink alarm clock. This is the actual item that you're going to be bidding on and receiving. See, it's fairly mint condition. Some slight wear and tear. See one minor scratch right here. Other than that, it's in pretty decent shape. It's got a lot of controls. It's got space for 2 AA batteries for backup power, AM, FM, volume, tuning. Then an option to wake to radio or wake to buzzer. There's a snooze button, radio on, sleep, day set, time set, dimmer, off alarm, reset. And there's buttons in front, alarm 1 set and alarm 2 set. And these 3 buttons, I'm not sure exactly what that does. But we're going to plug it in now. And maybe we'll play around with it a little bit and see how it works. I see there is a battery light, so that's indicator. So that's showing there's low battery or no battery. Pretty big digits, about 1 inch big. Not sure if it lights up at night. Guess we'll check that out in a minute. Okay, so setting the time. I guess goes like that. Okay. Day set. Okay, Sunday. Oh, so you could set the day here. Okay, this goes back to this one, Monday. So you hold down the button for the time and it moves much faster. That's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, you have alarm 1 set option. Let's see if we could hear it go off. $542. I'll set it for 544. So it should go off within the next minute. See what dimmer button does. I'm going to turn off this light. I'm going to turn off the light in the room. Let's see it. Okay, so it does actually have a faint dimmer there. Oh, so you could set it on different bright levels. Okay, so that's the brightest over there. That's pretty cool. Why didn't the alarm go off? Oh, you know what? I think it was set to... Let's see if the alarm goes off this time. Hope I got it right. Oh, here it goes. Yeah, I'm sure there's different settings for that too. And let's hit the snooze button. Let's check out the radio. Actually has an FM antenna here. Pretty good sound. Very good sound, actually. I see also the tuner dial is lit up with a light. Alright. Well, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.